Hello guys, so you probably have formatted your computer and now some of your drives are not showing in my computer or this PC, whatever you want to call it. What do you need to do in order to see that drive? So what you need to do is to go to the search and type disk management. So you go to disk management and you can see here that we have this drive. Which one it is? Let me check. So this is our C drive. This is our 7 terabyte drive, and here is a disk 0, which we cannot see at the moment on my computer. What you need to do is to right click on the drive you see here that it's not shown. One second, this is C, this is D, and if we change drive letter, E, okay, and here it is. So some people might have another issue here, which is actually they need to create I'm not sure, but sometimes you can see here unallocated space. If you can see here unallocated space, you might need to right click and then extend the volume maybe. I'm not really sure. Whatever, okay. What you need to do is to go to disk management and you will see here if the drive is actually connected. Don't think that maybe it's the SATA is not correctly in the drive and stuff like that. Usually what happens is that you need to assign a letter or you need to make it allocated space. So if it's unallocated, you need to allocate the whole space and then it will show up as well. This was a really quick video, sorry for messing up some things, but this was a very quick video on how to find your drive that is missing. My name is Kostas from Tulol and see you in the next video. Don't hate me. Thank you. Bye.